Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for coming back. So, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, this channel is all about technology. If you want to gain your knowledge about technology, if you have any query to learn about technology, and if you want to learn about technology, then this channel is absolutely for you. You didn't go to anywhere to search about technology and etc, but this channel is absolutely for you and you are able to watch my videos. So basically, uh, you have to subscribe my channel only and press the bell icon, because after pressing the bell icon you will receive the latest notification of my technological videos, and after receiving the notification you are able to watch my videos, and after watching my videos the creed of gaining your technology knowledge of technology is fulfilled by my videos. So basically in this channel we will discuss many things about technology, and I am gonna tell you many things about technology. So as we have seen the title and thumbnail, that in today's video I am telling you how you can upload video on YouTube. So basically, for uploading video on YouTube you should have a YouTube channel. So first of all, we will go on Play Store. We'll search here YouTube, 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 and you can see that here is YouTube. Simply, I have installed YouTube, so I will go on YouTube, and you can see that here is my channel. uh, okay, for uploading a video you should have a channel on YouTube, and then you can upload a video. Otherwise you are not able to upload a video or anything on YouTube. The creation of channel is very easy. In upcoming video I will tell you how you can create a YouTube channel. So in this video I'm telling you, as you can see that in this video I'm telling you that how you can upload a video on YouTube. So you can see that there are many videos in YouTube, but the upcoming trend of YouTube is of YouTube Shorts. But there are many millions and trillions of videos that many creators are earning money with their YouTube videos by making vlogs or making tech videos, making funny videos. As you can see that. Okay, so if you want to upload the videos like that, so simply you can see that there are, at the bottom there are many options like home, shorts, and it is a plus button, and subscription and library. For uploading a video you have to go on plus option, and you can see there are four options: create a short, upload a video, go live, and create a post. So you have to simply, in this video as I am telling you about upload a video, so simply you have to go on upload a video. So you can see that here my gallery is open and there are many videos. So for example, you can upload a video that you can see that this is a video of 5 minutes 21 seconds, and you can upload the video of how many hours you have. Any video of any time you can upload on YouTube. So simply, for example, this is my video. I will click on this, and you can see that I can check this, that this is my video which I want to upload, and after this I will click on next. And after doing this you can see that there are some options. Title, for example, this video is about how to upload short, so that. And description, I want to write any description, for example, hi guys, how are you, and etc. If you want to add to playlist, you can add it. You can add location as well as, and you can allow all comments, and click on upload. So after some time your video will be uploaded on YouTube. It depends upon your network speed. my network is very slow, that's why I'm I'm not gonna see you how it seems. So in this video I have tell you that how you can upload a video on YouTube. Hope you guys like it. If you like it, like this video, subscribe our channel. Meet you guys soon. Take care. Goodbye.